In this video, traders, we're going to look at 7 common stress triggers for traders and ideas to avoid them. Hey traders and investors, I guess a very warm welcome to you. It's probably more aimed at active traders, but investors too. Regardless of that, these are 7 common stress triggers that come at traders, and also give you some ideas on how to deal with them, and comments in the comment section below as well if you've got ideas on how to deal with these. Okay, number 1 is the pressure to make money. You may be in a situation where you have to make money. Now that might be if you're working in a company and they're giving you a trading line and they're saying, hey, you've got to do this. More than likely it's going to be you're a retail trader, you have made a commitment that you're going to make money. That might not be that you need to make money to pay the bills, or you may have that as well. You may have put yourself in that position from a financial perspective, but it also might be, hey, I need to make money to prove I can do this, so I can continue doing this. Either way, whatever kind of end of the spectrum you are, that pressure to make money induces stress in traders. You know, that constant thing of I need to make money, I need to make money. I've been sitting at the screen all day, all week, all month. I've not made money. I lost money last month. I need to make money. Drives you to make bad trading decisions. It drives you to do things that aren't in your best interest. It drives you to make decisions based on making money rather than doing the right thing for trading. Of course, that induces trading stress. Then it gives you a bad cycle, you lose more money, and you kind of get into that cycle. You need to break that cycle, step out of it and focus on the process. Which brings me nicely to part 2, the pressure not to lose money. So not only as traders do we have a pressure to make money, we've got a pressure not to lose money. It's one of the bizarre careers where we can lose at both ends. You know, if we lose money, not only have we not made money, but we've actually sat there for a week and we've lost money, or a month and we've lost money. So this is a double whammy to a lot of people, and the pressure to not lose money, the pressure to protect capital is often greater than the pressure to make money, and so they play very, very defensively. They don't get involved in much, they don't take much risk on, and they never achieve anything because they're never willing to put the risk in when the time's right. And of course that induces stress. It's like, you know, I don't want to lose money. Then of course you lose money, so you're like, I hate losing money, I don't want to lose money, I don't want to lose more money, I don't lose more money. The pressure dives on, the stress piles on. Then there's stress as well, pressure to make money, to get yourself out of the losers. I don't want to lose more, I want to make. You get the idea. That circle carries on and on. Number 3, indecision and uncertainty about the market. We can be in the market and we're like, well, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's going to go up or it's going to go down, it's going to pull back, it's going to do this. And we start having this internal conflict. Hey, it's bullish because of this, it's bearish because of this. You should be buying this stock, that stock, doing this, doing that. That creates stress rather than the clarity. You know when you see it, guys. You know when something looks so good, you have to pull the trigger on it. The clarity is so clear. You're not frightened about losing money. You're not concerned about making money. Like, hey, I've just got to take this trade. I've got to take this trade. That's what we're looking to repeat and achieve. We don't want to be in this indecision, uncertainty. A trick for removing this is if you are uncertain, if you do have indecision, just don't trade. Don't trade that market, or just don't trade until you feel more clarity, because that'll never help. Even if you take a trade and it's winning, the indecision, uncertainty will want you to take the money off the table as soon as possible because you are uncertain about where that thing is going. 4, difficulty controlling emotion. We talked about emotion before. This creates massive stress. If you're struggling because you're getting angry, you're getting frustrated at the market, at yourself, all these kind of things, you're going to induce more stress, more anger, more frustration, more stress. I'm losing money, I'm uncertain, I've got to make some money, I'm angry that I've not done this, I haven't pulled the trigger on what I said I was going to do, I haven't followed my discipline, I've lost money. Then you get that cycle, and now we're creating a big kind of cycle that's very difficult to get out of. So controlling emotion, emotional thermometer, talk about that quite a lot in videos, making sure you're centered, you're in the zone, you're doing the right thing, you're not full out, you're not too cool, you're right in the middle there. Number 5, struggling to define good entry and exit points. You know, we can be sitting and looking at charts saying, hey, I want to do this, I want to do that, and we don't find a decent place to pull the trigger. So we never pull the trigger, or we're fighting with each other. If that happens, same with the you know, the uncertainty about the market. If you can't see a good entry for the trade, don't take the trade. You know, it's honestly it's as simple as that, because again, the internal conflict is so much that you'll struggle to kind of do what you need to do and trade in the correct manner. All right, number 6, pressure to process a massive amount of info. An easy fix for this, but you know what happens? You've got all your screens, you've got all your data, you've got social media feeds, you've got indicators, you've got price moving, you've got gold, you've got oil, you've got this currency pair, that stock. Clean it all out. I'm an advocate of just clearing everything out apart from just what you need to focus on. Get good at one thing, then start to add more in, then start to add more in if you feel it will benefit you. Some of the best traders I know trade from one screen, one market, 2, 3 charts, I think it is, like a 15-minute, a 3-minute, a daily, that's it. Pressure to maintain concentration and focus. You know, this is a hard one because, again, it pulls us back to we want to maintain concentration and focus because we know that that's conducive to success. So we're trying to focus, but it's like the old thing when you're trying too hard to sleep, right? I must sleep, I must sleep. You're in the state of you're not going to sleep because you're just hyped up and strung up about it. Same with this. You're so pressured to concentrate and focus, you don't get in the mode which is slightly relaxed, right? You know the one, you're slightly relaxed, but you're fully focused. So you're not like really strung out. You're just at that peak performance state. And so, you know, when you've got the pressure, it conduces, it's like stress. I've got to get in the state, I've got to get in the state. And you don't get in the state because you've got more pressure on you, more stress, the cycle. So, you know, just eliminating that or having a routine that helps you get into that mindset of concentration and focus. When you slip out of it, stepping back into it again. So guys, this is 7 common triggers, common stress triggers. What are yours? Stick them in the comment section below. Always interested to hear what causes your stress trigger, and you know, maybe we'll do a video on that and some ideas on how to overcome that and how to kind of get back into a stress-free, or stress-free as trading can be, area where you're trading with a bit more clarity, a bit more calmness. You haven't got the pressure to make money, lose money, all these things. Yes, they're always going to be there, but they're not so much they're causing you trading stress. Anyway, whatever you're doing, guys, take care, keep your risk managed. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.